Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to insert SmartArt in MS-PowerPoint. So SmartArt allows you to communicate information with graphics instead of just using a text. There are variety of styles you can choose from which is available in MS-PowerPoint. So to insert a SmartArt, you have to click on the Insert tab. Inside Insert tab, here in illustration, you can see a smart art. If you click on the smart art, you will get a different types of smart arts and their different patterns. Now I have one data with me like low carb diet. I want to convert this data into a smart art. So I will select the paramedic like this, and I will select like this, or I will select like this. I will select this first. Now this whichever data I have want to put inside that. Control X, Control V, like this. Whichever data you have, you can put it. Now just select like this and paste here. Now here fruits and vegetable like this. And the last one is the protein. Now I will remove the text which I have and which I want to represent. Now here you can see one more block is added which is not of any use in my data. So I will select it. I will go inside a design format and I will just remove that, or I will just select it and delete it. Now that's it. If I want to adjust the text, I have to click on here and I have to put it here like this. Or either way you can do. That means the carbohydrate should be in the lower manner, then dairy products, then fruits and vegetables, and then proteins. Now from here you can just insert a text whichever you want. Now when you insert some smart art in your PowerPoint presentation, it gives you two smart art tool, that is a design tool and the format tool. First we will see the design tool. Now here you can see first option is the create graphic. Now if you want to add shape, then add shape before after, there is an option. Select which wherever you want to insert some text and click on add shape after. Now here you can see I have clicked on add shape after, add shape before, like this you can insert. Now the text plane also you can insert like this, and you can insert the name of anything like that, like this, and it will get inserted directly inside your smart art. Next one is the promote and demote. If you select any of this and demote it, it will go in this manner. Now when you select the text plane, here you can see it has a subdivision, that this one. So you can also insert the subdivisions inside your smart art. And if you want to promote this one, just click on the promote and it will shift it to the mainstream. Now left and right. So here there is no left and right because the smart art is in a different manner. If you are using some another format, like inside a insert, you can see if you're using the list or the process or the hierarchy, you can use the option of right to left. Now move up and down. You want to move any text from up and down, you can move it like this. So here you can see I can just click one click, I'm moving the. Now I want to move the protein to the up, then I have to just select it and I will make it up. Now this way you can move up and down. Next one is the layouts. If you want more layouts, there is an option available. But if you want to change within this layout, you can use this one. So in this way you can create a different types. Now change in color. Now if you want a different type of color like this, you can use. If you want to change into a different accent, you can use. Next one is the reset graphic. If you want to reset the graphic, you can also reset the graphic. Now here last option is the convert. If you want to convert your shape into a text, you can convert it. Now in this way you can convert the shape into a text by using the convert option. Now convert to a shape. Now if you want to convert your smart art into a shape, you can also convert it. Just one click and it will get converted into a shape. Now once I have converted this portion into a shape, you can see here there is no option available for the design. Whenever I have a smart tool, now here you can see smart art tool consists of design and format. Once I select the design and I will go inside a convert and convert it into a shape, you can see the smart art tool goes and the only drawing tool or the format is here. So when you want to convert your smart art into a text or the shape, there is an option available in the design tool. Next one is the format. Now inside a format there are options available. If you want to change the shape like this, you can also change the shape of the. Now if you want to make it larger, smaller, then there are options available. If you want to change the color, you can also change the color and make it fill with the different colors as per your requirement. Shape outline is also available. If you want to change the shape outline, you can also change. You can also give the shape effect like this. Just move your cursor whichever shape or format shape effect you want and it will give you a preview on your text. Next one is the word style. If you want a different word style, you can also use text fill, text outline. So which text outline you want? You want black text outline, fill color should be red or something like that. Then text effects are also there. If you want something like this you can make it by using the word style. Now there are option available. If you want to increase the height and width of your smart art, you can also increase it. So basically when you insert a smart art inside your PowerPoint presentation, it gives you the opportunity to design and the format that smart art. In design section you can change the graphic layouts and the smart art style. You can reset the graphic and you can convert your graphic to the text and convert to the shapes. In format section you can fill your shape with the different colors. You can change the shape type. Just select whichever shape you want to change. You can fill the shape. You can give the outline to your shape. You can give the shape effect. Next one is the word style. If you want to change the word style inside your smart art, this option is for you. Next one is if you want to rotate something, like if you want to rotate this portion, then you can also rotate it like this. So there is option available for a rotation also. Then height and width you can also change by using this. Now this is what we have created a smart art. Now I want to convert one of my information into a smart art directly. Then how to do that? For that I have to select the text, right click on that text, and here you can see convert to a smart art. Now just select whichever text you want. If you want any other instead of this, just click on the more smart art graphic like this. Then if I want a cycle, and I will select the cycle like this and click OK. Now here you can see the text is converted into a smart art. Once you convert your text into a smart art, it opens a smart art tool, that is a design and format. From here you can do the formatting and the designing part. Now if you want something like this in the cycle, something like this or something like this, you can do. So whichever format you want, whichever style you want, you can change it from here. Now the same thing you can do just by using the format. So just select whichever format you want for your smart art and make it as per your requirement. So in this video what we have learned: how to insert a smart art, how to design and the format smart art, and how to convert text into a smart art. And now if you want to convert this smart art into a text, you have to just go inside a design, click on the reset like this and convert to the text. Now it is going to convert into a text again. For converting the text into a smart art, you have to select it and you have to right click on it and convert to the smart art code. Now one more thing we must know: when you are entering like this, now this kind of format you have in your PowerPoint presentation, they give a shortcut key directly over here. If you want to insert a smart art, just click on them and you can see that dialog box gets open, which consists of different smart art graphics. So these two ways you can open a smart art. One way is to just click on the insert tab. Inside the insert tab here you can see a smart art, and another way is there, that is if you are opening the PowerPoint presentation like this or in this format, then they have direct access to the smart art graphic. Okay, so when you want to insert a smart art, you must know which kind of smart art you require to present your data. So there are options available, that is list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, or the picture. So whichever is suitable for your document or the PowerPoint presentation, you can use it. When you don't want that smart art, just select the outer one and press the delete one. It gets deleted. So in this way you can insert a smart art, design a smart art and format it. Thank you.